Iron ore prices, again, slipped overnight. So what did that leave our local market with when it opened this morning?
Laura, the local market's down this morning about 0.7%. Iron ore prices slipped 6% overnight. It's now at $106 a tonne. One of the key hints is looking at the share prices of BHP and Rio overnight in the UK. They fell 3 to 4% in value, so expect them to lose value today. It's all due to China clamping down on steel production. But I think there's a light at the end of the tunnel here. February 20 next year is when the Beijing Olympic Games end, and I think that's when China is going to start ramping up steel production again. There'll be more carbon emissions around Beijing at that point in time, but China simply won't care anymore. I think the price of iron ore is going to start going up again early next year, but it may continue falling until that point. So it's at $106 a tonne at the moment. It could fall a fair bit further over the next few months, but I think it's going to bounce back.
OK, let's talk uranium. It's a key ingredient used for nuclear power, and it's seen a bit of a price surge. We know why, the announcement in the last 24 hours, and it's at a 9-year high this morning.
It's at a 9-year high this morning. Uranium, you buy it by the pound, the old imperial measure. So wow. A pound of uranium costs you $48 at the moment. Just a month ago, it was $30 a pound. So the price has been going up for a few reasons. One, there isn't actually that much supply of uranium available to buy at the moment, so just normal supply and demand. The other is large investment funds are buying large stockpiles of uranium and holding it as an investment to resell at a later date when the price goes up. So they're sort of stockpiling. The other thing is investors see nuclear power as a way to reduce carbon emissions and are buying into uranium thinking there's a massive growth potential there. So it's been great for Aussie uranium companies. A lot of them, their share prices are up roughly 70% over the last couple of weeks. So huge rise for Aussie uranium stocks and the price in general. And Australia is the third largest producer of uranium in the world too.
Yeah, I was just about to say that. We have huge natural resources of uranium as well. So this is obviously a big boost for us locally, is it?
Look, it is a good boost for us locally. We are the third largest producer of uranium. The biggest uranium mine in Australia is actually owned by BHP at Olympic Dam in South Australia. But there's also Energy Resources Australia have a mine up at Jabiru, the Ranger mine in Kakadu region, and that is being decommissioned, but it still produces a lot of uranium from the stockpile there. So it's good news for Aussie companies.